everyone, welcome in my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is fourth session of Projection of Points and Straight Line chapter. In this session, we are going to solve the example of projection of straight lines. Now, before solving example, I would like to revise projection of points and meaning of different parameter which are used in projection of line. Now, these two things are very important for solving any numerical of projection of straight line. So, let us revise projection of point. Now, there are 9 types of position are possible of a point in space or on the planes. First point is above HP and in front of VP, which is called first quadrant. Second point is above HP and behind of VP, which is called second quadrant. Third point is below HP and behind of VP, which is called third quadrant. Fourth point is below HP and in front of VP, which is called fourth quadrant. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the position of point in 4 quadrant. Fifth point is on HP and in front of VP. Point is above HP and on VP. Point is on HP and behind of VP. Point is below HP and on VP. And point is on HP on VP. Now, how to project its front view and its top view. For front view and top view projection, you must remember top view or plan of point is indicated by without dash letter of ABCD like A, B, C, D, etc. Front view or elevation of point is indicated by with dash letter of ABCD like A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, etc. And side view of point is indicated by double dash of small letter of ABCD like A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash, etc. Now, in orthographic projection, we need to draw front view, top view or side view of any point with reference to axis XY. So, let us understand how to locate front view and top view of this 9 position of point with reference to XY. First, if any point is given above HP, then its front view or elevation drawn above XY line. If any point is given below HP, then its front view or elevation drawn below XY line. If any point is given on HP, then its front view or elevation drawn on XY line. Means the distance of any point is given with reference to horizontal plane, then that distance we have to locate in front view or elevation of given point. Next, if any point is given in front of VP, then its top view or plan drawn below XY line. If any point is given behind of VP, then its top view or plan drawn above XY line. If any point is given on VP, then its top view or plan drawn on XY line. Means the distance of any point is given with reference to vertical plane, then that distance we can always see in top view or plan. Next, let us revise meaning of different parameter of projection of lines. Here, one diagram is given on the basis of 5 simple cases. For solving various problems of line, study and memorize following diagram as a circuit diagram. Next, let us revise the meaning of different parameter used in this diagram. TL is equal to true length of line. Here, true length of line A dash B1 dash in front view and AB2 in top view. Next, theta is equal to true length in front view A dash B1 dash angle with HP or XY. Next 5. True length in plan AB2 angle with VP or XY line. Next front view, or we can say elevation length, is equal to front view or elevation length A dash B2 dash, which is horizontal component of front view or elevation length, and A dash B dash, which is inclined component of front view or elevation length. Next, top view or plan length is equal to AB1, which is horizontal component of top view or plan length, and AB, which is inclined component of top view or plan length. Now, this front view or elevation length and top view or plan length both are apparent length. Apparent length are always less than true length. Apparent length always projected from true length. Here you can see front view or elevation apparent length projected from top view true length, and top view or plan apparent length projected from true length in front view. Next, alpha is equal to angle of front view or EL line with XY or HP. It is apparent angle with apparent length. Next, beta is equal to angle of top view or plan line with VP or XY, which is also apparent angle with apparent length of top view. Next, EPD, end projector distance. Here you can see the distance between A dash A and B dash B projector is called end projector distance. Next, conclusion of this diagram is true length always greater than front view or top view apparent length, true angle always less than apparent angle. So here theta true angle always less than apparent angle alpha, and phi true angle always less than apparent angle beta. Next conclusion of this diagram is theta and alpha construct with A dash point. A dash point is a front view or elevation point. Next, phi and beta always construct with A point, and A point is plan or top view point. B dash and B1 dash always on the same locus of B dash, and B and B2 point always on the same locus of B point. Next, let us solve example of projection of straight line. Here example 1 is given. A line PQ 70 mm long is parallel to VP and 30 degree inclined to HP. The end P is 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection. Here simple case of line is given. Line PQ is parallel to VP and inclined to HP at an angle theta, and which is 30 degree. So first list out given data. Here true length of line PQ is given 70 mm and angle with HP theta is equal to given 30 degree, and position of point P with reference to HP and VP is given. Point P 30 mm above HP means front view or elevation P dash point locate 30 mm above XY line. Point P 20 mm in front of VP. So plan or top view point P locate 20 mm below XY line. Now in orthographic projection we need to drawing with reference to XY. Now in orthographic projection we need to draw drawing with reference to XY. So first draw XY line. Next locate plan and elevation point of P as per given distance. First locate elevation point P dash 30 mm above XY line because its distance given above HP. XY line is a common intersection line of HP and VP. So locate 30 mm above HP distance above XY line for P dash elevation or front view point. From P dash point, draw parallel to XY locus of P dash. Next, locate plan point of P 20 mm below XY line because 20 mm in front of VP distance given. Elevation and plan point for the same point is always on the same projector line. So, draw projector line from P dash point below XY line, and on this projector line locate plan point P. Take distance of plan point P from XY is 20 mm. From plan point P, draw parallel to XY locus of P. Now, in any example of projection of line, first we need to construct projection of point. Next, locate theta degree angle of true length with HP from P dash point, because theta degree angle with HP we can always see in front view or elevation. So, theta degree angle locate from elevation or front view point. So, draw 30 degree angle line from P dash point, which is indicate true length in front view, and length is given 70 mm. So, take 70 mm length and mark here Q1 dash point. From Q1 dash point, draw parallel to XY locus of Q dash. Now, when we will take projection from true length in front view, it will give apparent length in top view. So, take straight projection from Q1 dash point up to first locus of plan, which is locus of P. Here mark Q1 point. PQ1 indicate top view length which is less than true length in front view. Next, let us solve second example. A line AB 80 mm long is inclined to HP by 30 degree and inclined to VP by 45 degree. The line is in first quadrant with point A 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection of line AB. First, list out given data. As per data, true length of line AB is given 80 mm. True length angle with HP, theta, is given 30 degree. True length angle with VP, phi, is given 45 degree. Next, position of point A is given with reference to HP and with reference to VP. Point A 15 mm above HP means elevation of that point A dash 15 mm above XY line. Point A 20 mm in front of VP means plan point A drawn 20 mm below XY line. Here the position of second point is not given. So assume line is in first quadrant, means both points A and B above HP and in front of VP, means elevation or front view drawn above XY line and plan or top view drawn below XY line. First, we need to locate projection of point. So draw XY line. From XY line, locate elevation and plan point of point A. For elevation point, take 15 mm above XY line distance and locate here A dash point. From A dash point, draw parallel to XY locus of A dash. Next, locate plan point of A 20 mm below XY line because 20 mm in front of VP distance given. So, from XY line, take 20 mm distance and locate plan point of A, and from A point, draw parallel to XY locus of A. Here, next locate theta and phi degree angle with true length. We know that theta with true length angle always located from elevation or front view A dash point and phi true length angle always located from plan point A. So from A dash point, draw theta degree angle line. Take length of this line is equal to true length 80 mm. Mark here B1 dash point. A dash B1 dash indicate here true length in front view. Length is given 80 mm. From B1 dash point, draw parallel to XY line locus of B dash. Next, locate phi degree angle of true length in top view with A point. Mark here B2 point. A B2 indicate true length in top view and size is given 80 mm. From B2 point, draw parallel to XY line locus of B. Next, find out apparent length in front view and apparent length in top view. Now for apparent length in top view, take straight projection from end point of true length in front view line, which is B1 dash point. So take straight projection in downward direction because top view is located here below XY line, and take straight projection up to first locus of plan, which is locus of A. Mark here B1 point. Now AB1 indicate here horizontal component of top view apparent length. Next, for front view apparent length, take straight projection from end point of top view true length line, which is B2 point. So take straight projection from B2 point up to locus of A dash in front view or elevation, and mark here B2 dash point. Here A dash B2 dash indicate horizontal component of front view apparent length. Now for alpha apparent angle, take radius A dash B2 dash, center A dash, and rotate horizontal component of A dash B2 dash up to second locus of elevation, locus of B dash, and mark here B dash point. Connect A dash B dash, which is indicate inclined component of apparent length in front view at an angle alpha. Now for beta apparent angle in top view, draw EPD projector line from B dash point up to locus of B in plan. Mark here B point, connect AB point, which is indicate inclined component of top view at an angle beta. Now here the distance between A dash A and B dash B projector is called EPD distance. Next, let us understand third example. A line AB 75 mm long has its end A 20 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. The end B is 50 mm below HP and 65 mm behind VP. Draw the projections of line AB and find its inclinations with HP and VP. So here position of both point is given with reference to HP and VP, and we need to find true angle with HP theta and with VP phi. So first list out given data. Here true length is given 75 mm. Position of point A is given 20 mm below HP, means locate its front view A dash 20 mm below XY line. Point A is given 25 mm behind of VP, means locate its planned point A 25 mm above XY line. Next, point B is given 50 mm below HP, means locate its elevation point B dash 50 mm below XY line. Point B is given 65 mm behind of VP, means locate its planned point B 65 mm above XY line. So first we need to locate projection of point with reference to XY line. So draw first XY line. From XY line locate A dash point which is 20 mm below HP or below XY line. So locate A dash point 20 mm below XY line. From A dash point draw parallel to XY locus of A dash. Next locate plan point A 25 mm above XY line because behind of VP distance is given. So from A dash projector take 25 mm above XY distance and locate here plan point A. From A point draw parallel to XY locus of A. Now here position of both point is given with reference to HP and with reference to VP. So locate first point elevation and plan on the same projector, and for second point locate only its locus as per given distance. So first locate B dash point 50 mm below XY line because below HP distance is given, and below HP distance we have to locate below XY line. So take 50 mm distance below XY line and locate locus of B dash. Now for locus of B plant point take 65 mm distance above XY line and locate locus of B. Here plant point locus of A and B located above XY line, and elevation point locus A dash and B dash is located here below XY line because point A and B both are given below HP and behind of VP, which is indicate third quadrant, and in third quadrant plan drawn above XY line and elevation drawn below XY line. Next locate true length 75 mm in plan and in elevation. For location of true length in plan take center A radius 75 mm and cut arc on locus of B. Here mark B2 point, connect AB2 which is indicate true length in top view, and length is given 75 mm at an angle phi. Next take center A dash in front view or elevation, radius is equal to true length 75 mm and cut arc on second locus of point B dash and mark here B1 dash point, connect A dash B1 dash which is indicate true length in front view, size is given 75 mm at an angle theta. Next apparent length projection in top view, take straight projection from endpoint of true length in front view line which is B1 dash up to locus of A in plan, mark here B1 point. AB1 indicate horizontal component of apparent length in top view. Now for inclined component of top view apparent length, rotate AB1 line from center A up to second locus of plan point which is locus of B, and mark here B point, connect AB point which is indicate inclined component of top view apparent length at an angle beta. Now for inclined component in front view at an angle alpha, take straight EPD projector line from B point up to locus of B dash in front view or elevation and mark here B dash point, connect A dash B dash point which is indicate inclined component of front view at an angle alpha. Here the distance between A dash and B dash projector is called EPD the distance. Next, measure theta and phi angle and list out answer here. Theta is equal to 25 degree and phi is equal to 35 degree. So this is the end of this session. See you soon in next coming video lecture. Thank you.